In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then select those three dots at the top, hit settings and adjust all of those for alarms, like alarm background. When you finished, go back and click on this plus next to three dots to create a new alarm. Finally adjust it however you want to. At the top set up an hour and then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Now you can name your alarm however you wish to, and when you finished, scroll down. Then click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them off or on. You can also adjust all of them by clicking on the chosen one on the left. Let's start with alarm sound. Thanks to this slider at the bottom, you can change volume of it. Then click on one of those sound sources. For example, by clicking on Spotify, you can log into your account and use music from it. By tapping on ringtone, you can click on this plus at the top right corner. Tap on the switcher next to play selected highlights to switch them off or on. Click on any song from your smartphone to apply it. And select Done at the top right corner to save it. You can also click on those two switchers next to those two features to turn them on or off. Or instead of picking any song from your device, just tap on one of those ringtones, like Pluto. Wherever you decided, when you finished, go back and tap on vibration. Now adjust the vibration intensity thanks to this slider at the bottom. And apply one of those vibration patterns by clicking on the chosen one. Go back, select snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back one last time and choose alarm background. It will work only for this alarm. Hit select photos and videos or tap on allow all in the pop-up and click on background at the top left corner. Now you can pick one of those right away or click on one of your albums and select a picture from your gallery. To save it, hit done at the top right corner. When you finished, hit save at the bottom right corner. And as you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. To switch it off completely, use this switcher next to it. To turn it back on, hit the same, now gray one. To make some changes to your alarm, click on it, change wherever you want to, and hit save at the bottom. If you want to delete it, you can always hold it. Click delete at the bottom right corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!